Hey guys, so today is a video on all the stuff I used in my project pan. Well, I didn't use all of the stuff in my project pan, but I was trying to get through some more stuff and I figured I'd do a video on this stuff in my project pan and doing a makeup video. So this is not my average look with my project pan. I don't usually combine all of it together on my face, but I figured for a video's sake and kind of for fun, it would be interesting. I'd like to stress on picking good stuff for your project pan, not stuff that doesn't kind of go with your skin tone. So like I put foundation in my project pan that is not the right color for my skin at the moment. It's more like my winter shade and my skin is a different color, so it kind of didn't go so well. Also, the importance of picking an eyeshadow that is good. The NYX eyeshadow palette that I have in here is old, and they have come leaps and bounds since when those were made, and in the video you'll see me trying to blend out eyeshadow, which is tough when the eyeshadow is patchy and it doesn't go well, and it's not my brushes or the skills, because I've never really had a problem with anything other than these ones or unblendable eyeshadow. You will see my struggles in this video, which could be very entertaining. So if you were wondering how I got this face and just what I was doing kind of with my project pan, then just keep watching. Before you go, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're getting the notifications of when my upcoming videos are coming out. And if you guys are new, welcome, and if you guys are not new, welcome back, and thanks for watching this video.
You know this life isn't for me. Let's get buried in Vegas, cause I ain't got no patience. Got tattoos on our ring fingers to say that we made it. The year 2040, so far when I'm holding you in my arms. You know this life isn't for me. Let's get buried in Vegas, cause I ain't got no patience. Got tattoos on our ring fingers to see if we'll make it to the year 2040. 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 Year 2040. The year 2040. Year 2040. Year 2040. I know I said that I loved her, but I never said it and meant it. But you messed up too, baby girl, can we admit it? I wrote some songs about you, but I doubt that you know them. I showed you poetry too, but you don't know that I wrote them. I put my heart on my sleeve for you, cheering I weep for you. You're frequently leaving me, so I'm secretly needing you. We made our plans for the future, baby, and nobody knew it. Well, time's getting crueler, baby, but we pulling through it. I mean, look what we found, love built from the ground. I know that it's hurting us, but it's only for now. Cause the year 2040 really ain't that far around. We'll move up to Idaho and then shut that shit down. In the year 2040. In the year 2040. Year 2040. The year 2040. So far when I'm holding you in my arms. You know this life isn't for me. Let's get buried in Vegas, cause I ain't got no patience. Got tattoos on our ring fingers to say that we made it. The year 2040. So far when I'm holding you in my arms. You know this life isn't for me. Let's get buried in Vegas, cause I ain't got no patience. Got tattoos on our ring fingers to see if we'll make it to the year 2040. 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 Year 2040. Year 2040. Year 2040. The year 2040, so far when I'm holding you in my arms. You know this life isn't for me. Let's get buried in Vegas, cause I ain't got no patience. Got tattoos on our ring fingers to say that we made it. The year 2040, so far when I'm holding you in my arms. You know this life isn't for me. Let's get buried in Vegas, cause I ain't got no patience. Got tattoos on our ring fingers to see if we'll make it to the year 2040. 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 Of course I said that I love you, but I never said it and meant it. Till the day that I met you, cause my head was just spinning. I mean, you hella tight. I mean, girl, you're the realest. I feel broken inside, but you brought out my feelings. I got problems and issues. You stepped in, but how did you? Fixing my heart, I feel so whole when I'm with you. I mean, October was over, and I still was up in it. But I thought that ferocious coaster that throws us was finished. But I still stuck around, cause you held me down. Now I'll prop you up, baby, now don't make a sound. The year 2040 really ain't that far around. We'll move up to Idaho and just shut that shit down. In the year 2040, the year 2040, the year 2040 ain't so far when I'm holding you in my arms. You know this life isn't foreign. Let's get married in Vegas, cause I ain't got no patience. Got tattoos on our ring fingers to say that we made it. The year 2040 ain't so far when I'm holding you in my arms. You know this life isn't for me. Let's get married in Vegas, cause I ain't got no patience. Got tattoos on our ring fingers to see if we'll make it to the year 2040. 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 Year 2040. The year 2040. Year 2040. Year 2040. I know I said that I loved her, but I never said it and meant it. But you messed up too, baby girl, can we admit it? I wrote some songs about you, but I doubt that you know them.
So that was the tutorial, or just how I use the makeup in my project pan for this one. Obviously there is a very good reason why you have to be careful about what you pick for your project pan, since obviously my eyeshadow isn't blended out properly, and certain things like my setting spray isn't the best, things like that. And of course my foundation does not match my skin. It's definitely a different color. So well, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!